Hi, everyone. Welcome back to LearnUp English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to see you again, friends.
Today, we're talking about something very exciting, how to talk about the future in English.
Yes, we use the future tense to talk about what we plan to do, what will happen, and what we think might happen.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to say things like, I will go to work tomorrow. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. It's going to rain.
So stay with us till the end. We'll have a fun quiz and a short challenge for you to practice.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our easy English lessons.
Let's start with the word will. We use will when we decide something now or make a prediction.
Right. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow. I will call you later.
Listen carefully. I will call you later. Let's say it together slowly. I will call you later.
Good job. We also use will when we offer or promise something.
Like this. I'll help you. I'll send you the photo.
Did you hear that? Paul said, I'll help you. We often say I'll instead of I will. Let's repeat together. I'll help you.
Perfect. Now let's try a short role play.
Paul, I'm so tired. I don't want to cook dinner tonight.
No problem. I'll order pizza.
Really? Thanks, Paul. You're the best.
Haha, you're welcome.
So, friends, when Paul said, I'll order pizza, he decided it at that moment. That's when we use will. Now, let's look at going to. We use going to when we already have a plan or intention.
Exactly. Listen to this. I'm going to visit my grandmother this weekend. We're going to start class soon.
Say it with me. I'm going to visit my grandmother this weekend.
And here's another. We're going to start class soon.
Good job. Let's try a little story. This weekend, I'm going to visit my best friend. We're going to go to the beach. We're going to eat ice cream. And take lots of photos.
That sounds fun. So Emily already has a plan. That's why she says, I'm going to visit my best friend.
Exactly. Friends, let's try your own sentences. Repeat after me. I'm going to study English tonight. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to call my friend.
Great. We can also use going to when we see that something is about to happen.
For example, look at those clouds. It's going to rain. Be careful. You're going to fall.
Let's repeat together. It's going to rain. You're going to fall.
Perfect pronunciation. Remember, will is more for decisions or beliefs, and going to is for plans or things we see coming.
Here's another way to talk about the future, the present continuous tense. We can say things like, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. We're having a test next week.
That's right. We often use this for fixed plans, things we already arranged.
So, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow means it's already decided.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. We're having a test next week.
Nice work.
Hey, Paul, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm visiting my parents. What about you?
I'm meeting some friends for lunch.
Oh, that sounds fun.
So, we both used present continuous, I'm visiting, I'm meeting. It's another simple way to talk about future plans.
Okay, time for a quick future tense challenge. I'll say a sentence, you tell me which one it is. Will, going to, or present continuous.
Let's go. 1. I think I'll stay home tonight. Will. 2. I'm going to buy a new phone. Going to plan. 3. We're having a party on Friday. Present continuous, fixed plan.
Did you get them right? Well done if you did.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned 3 main ways to talk about the future. 1. Will for decisions, offers, or predictions. I'll call you later. 2. Going to for plans or things we see coming. I'm going to visit my grandmother. 3. Present continuous for fixed or arranged plans. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
Great work. Let's repeat all 3. Will, going to. Present, continuous.
Nice and clear.
You did amazing today. Now, it's your turn to practice.
In the comments below, tell us about your future plans. For example, I'm going to study English tonight.
We love reading your answers, and we might share some in our next video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep learning with us every week.
Remember, you're doing great, and your English is improving every day. See you next time. Bye-bye.